Hello everyone, today we will learn the basics of the abacus tool. What is abacus tool and how we hold it. First we hold it like that with the help of a thumb and a finger. After that you can see there are 5 pointers and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this is the center of the abacus tool. It is called house of the abacus tool. Okay, now next is this is called rods. This is called rods and this is a line. Okay, now this is called lower beads, this is called upper beads. It's our lower beads, it's our upper beads. Each lower beads has one value, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and upper beads has value of 5. Upper beads value of is 5, and when the beads are touching with the line, it is our answer. So our answer is 6. 5 and 1, 6. Now next, if we touch 3 beads in the lower, then our answer is 3. 1, 2 and 3, like that. If we have only 1 in the upper, our answer is 5. Okay, now if we have 5 and we have 1, now our answer is 6. For more videos you can follow my Insta ID as well as YouTube channel. Connect with me, follow me and support me. Thank you.